Okay, finger foods. How are you guys doing? Huh? Are those good? Caden, I think you have one stuck on your lip. Oh, are they getting away from you? Good job, bud. Get in your mouth. Can you get it in your mouth? Yeah? It's stuck to your lip, though. Oh, that's okay. You'll get it eventually. How's Ethan doing? How's Ethan doing? Yeah? You're doing great, huh? Good job, buddy. Yeah, good job. Good job. Caden, back to you. Look at you go. Popping those things right in your mouth. Good going. Good going. All right, Ethan. Got another one. Good job, guys.